Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's DIY series, I will be showing you how I make my cocoa butter and coffee soap. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, please stay tuned to the video. So here we have our lye, and for our water phase I will be using frozen coffee cubes. So our water phase will be our frozen coffee cubes, and these are the oils and butters I will be using. So I will be using some shea butter, some cocoa butter, and also olive oil, coconut oil. I will try to list the ingredients down below in the description box. So here I'm using the lye to melt the coffee cubes. So I am pouring the lye a little at a time into the coffee cubes to melt it down. So always remember, you guys, always pour lye in water, not water in lye. So you're gonna always pour the lye slowly into the liquid. So it could be water or coffee cubes or milk or whatever you choose to use to make your soap. So as I said, I'm just pouring the lye a little bit at a time to melt the frozen coffee cubes. So now that our lye solution is ready to go and our oils and butters have been melted, I will be adding 1 teaspoon of sodium lactate to the lye water solution. And what the sodium lactate does, it helps to give you a harder bar. So I am putting 1 teaspoon in. So now I'm pouring my lye solution into my melted oils and butter, and then I'm gonna be stick blending it for just a couple of seconds because I don't want it to go to a thick trace too fast. So in order to prevent that, I will just stick blend for a couple of seconds. So now I will be splitting the mixture into 2 separate batches because the look that I am going for with this soap is more of a coffee and cream look. So I am splitting them into 2 separate batches, and one I'm gonna color lighter than the other with white titanium dioxide to give it a lighter color. So the other batch I'm coloring with a gingerbread mica, and this is gonna give it a dark deep brown color, which is gonna represent, you know, black coffee, and then the lighter color will give it that cream look. So the contrast between the two makes it look so beautiful. So once it's poured and dry, you're gonna see what it looks like, you guys. So here I'm adding my essential oil and fragrance oil mix, and then I'm just gonna use the whisk to mix it in. So if you notice, guys, how quickly the soap starts to go to thick trace. So one of the I would say secrets in preventing quick trace is to not use the stick blender until you're absolutely ready. So just use a whisk to kind of mix in your clays, mix in your fragrance oils and your mica colors before you're ready to do your pours, in order to prevent the soaps from going to thick trace too fast. Because once you start to stick blend, it's gonna go to trace so fast, and then sometimes it goes to trace so fast you're not able to add your fragrances and your colors as much as you would want because it's thicken up so quickly. So now I'm pouring my mixtures into my soap mold and I'm just knocking it on the counter to remove any air bubbles that might be trapped in it. And then I will just be going in with my stick skewer to make zigzag S's back and forth. So now I'm going to be adding some dried out coffee grounds to one side of it just to decorate it a bit and give it a little pizzazz. And then I'm going to cover it up and let it set for 24 hours. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like once it's dried and set. So this is it after it has been sitting for 24 hours. So I'm going to be unmolding it and then cutting it up and put it on my racks for it to cure for another 4 to 6 weeks. Thank you guys for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.